What's up, guys? So, I wanted to do the FDF kit on the Corvette, and before doing it, I wanted to check out some YouTube videos, see how people put it on. I've never even touched the Corvette before, so there was none. So we're gonna make a quick video for you guys, how to put it on. This is half of the kit because I already put the other side on, and then we decided to make this video. And this is what you get pretty much, minus the coilovers. These are feels. They'll be going on also, fresh guys. Everything fresh. So we got the upper control arm here. We got the knuckle. We got the lower control arm. Then the brake mounts, coilover mounts, and the tie rod piece comes separate. So yeah, I mean, that's about it. Pretty simple. And we're gonna slap it on. All right, so we have the upper control arm going in first. Comes with these bracket ends. Bolt them to the car, to the frame rail. Then put these nuts through them.
Got him!
Oh, damn it. And bolt them down. Same thing for this side. Just gonna do a quick hand tighten to get everything on first, and then we're gonna go over every single bolt after. All right, so this is the upper. On to the next step. All right, next we have most of the lower control arm. And we slide it in right here. And put a bolt through. And we have these adapters that we have set for track setting. And we put those guys on. Locked in place. Again, just hand tighten for now. All right, next we got the front half-ish of the lower control arm, and that's gonna bolt to the subframe, and then it's gonna connect to the arm, like so. So first we're gonna bolt it up over here. And then I'm gonna bolt it to the subframe. Get our track settings on. Middle one is street. Slide her through, lock her in, get the other side. Same thing, track hole. Push it in, lock it in. Bolt it up. All right, good enough for now. All right, next we connect the lower control arm pieces together. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Gotta get this in the hole. Make it work. Then do your alignment later. Slide it through. Come on. So close. It's good that it's a tight fit though. It's not gonna wiggle itself loose. Stretch your holes out.
She said.
Unless you got a small piece. All right, we're in, baby. Hand tighten on the bottom real quick. And sort of back to normal-ish. That's that for now. Next is knuckle. All right, so next is the knuckle, and we're gonna put the tie rod end on it, and this bolts to your factory tie rods. Super simple. And then we're gonna put this on the car. All right. Next is the knuckle here. Get everything in check. Oh my God. Who is this? Alright. How's this thing go? Something like this. You gotta get the joints in there. Alright. Slide her on through. Stick the nut through the bolt. And it's official. We're married. Next is the top. Just align it, pop it through, lock her in, and get the bolt. Hold on to that camera, guy. All right, let it go. All right, lock it in. And that's it for the knuckle, guys. So next is the bracket for the coilovers. You gotta take this thing apart. Snap around. Alright, so need this, need this, need this. Bolts up like so. We're gonna put on the middle setting for now. And then we're gonna adjust from there once we get to an alignment rack. Then you bolt your coilovers on through right here when we're ready for that step. All right. That's pretty much it. Just connect the tie rod, put the brake bracket on, and this is the rough copy right here. The bump stops up top already. Touch, probably still gonna adjust them a little bit. But again, it's all hand tight for now. We're gonna adjust everything still.